FortiGate. Interfaces. Port 2. VLAN 10. The delete button is hidden and I cannot delete VLAN 10. Before deleting VLAN 10, follow these steps. Pay attention to the last column on the right, named Ref. The number 3 corresponds to VLAN 10. Before deleting VLAN 10, delete the settings as above. VLAN 10 address. Addresses. VLAN 10 address. Delete. OK. Address deletion complete on VLAN 10. Interfaces. VLAN 10. Two other settings related to VLAN 10 remain. One setting allows VLAN 10 to access the Internet. Allows VLAN 10 to Internet. Select the policy you want to delete. Delete. OK. Continue to the next step. Interfaces. VLAN 10. 1. DHCP server. Delete. OK. Interfaces. Port 2. VLAN 10. Delete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.